Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how I dyed my hair this beautiful light pastel pink, kind of almost like a rose gold color. I used Arctic Fox hair dye. It is a semi-permanent hair dye, so it does say it will wash out with every wash that I do. Hopefully it lasts, a few weeks, so I have some time with this fun pink hair. But I decided to just film the process because I've been wanting to do this for like 2 or 3 weeks now. And I dyed my hair pink. I think I've done it every spring since the year I got married, so 2018, and I have loved it every time I've done it. It's always perfect because by the time it washes out, I'm kind of over it, so I just like doing it, once a year, having, fun pink hair for a little bit, and then going back to my normal blonde self. So anyways, if you are interested in seeing how I achieved this, then keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am dyeing my hair pink. We are doing a pastel pink. It's like 9 p.m. The reason I'm doing this so late is because I'm a mother of 1-year-old twin boys, so this is like the only time I can take a couple hours to dye my hair. I get my hair professionally bleached by a hairstylist, but about once a year I dye my hair pink just for fun. I actually think next time I want to do like lavender if this dye works good, because they have this Arctic Fox company has like a ton of different fun hair colors, so this turns out good. I might branch out and do a couple different colors from them, but pink is like my comfort zone. I've done it several times. I have some inspiration from some other YouTubers that I follow. I will link their channels below. One of them is Alexa Sunshine 83. Her hair is so beautiful right now. I actually stalked her Instagram comments to figure out what she used, and she used the color Frose from Arctic Fox. And so that's what I ordered. And typically I just use like a drugstore color, but I figure this is probably a little bit better for my hair. And yeah, I don't know how to use this. I'm gonna read the instructions and then we are going to figure it out. Okay, so this says that I need to shampoo my hair and then apply the color on towel dried hair and then rinse out with cold water. So I'm gonna hop in the shower and then I will come back when I'm done with that. Okay, we are showered. It felt so weird to shower and not wash not condition my hair. I hope it's not too crazy tangled, because conditioner is what really makes my hair nice and soft, so I'm a little bit worried about that. My hair feels so weird and dry when I don't condition it. Oh, okay, combing it out wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Not too snarly, it just feels gross. Okay, let's section this hair. Okay, we are halfway done. It's kind of hard to tell because it really is so light. My hair feels really soft. This feels more just like a conditioner, like a leave-in conditioner. Let's go do the other half. Okay, we are done. I'm gonna wait 30 minutes now and then rinse it out with cold water. I will be back once I rinse that out. Okay, I apologize for the towel situation, but this is what our hair is looking like after we washed it out. It looks pretty pink. I can't wait for it to dry because I really do want that strawberry blonde pastel pink, and I think that's what it's gonna look like, so I'm really excited. But it's 10 p.m. I'm gonna do my self tanner and then I'm gonna go to bed. I will show you what it looks like in the morning. Good morning, everyone. I slept on my hair wet and woke up and this is what it's looking like. I'm about to curl it. I'm a little bit bummed because I thought it would be more strawberry peach. I used the exact hair color that the person that I was looking at used. I'm gonna curl it and do my makeup and then maybe I'll feel a little different about it. I don't hate it or anything. I like it, but it's just looking a little more purpley, like cotton candy, and I really wanted to be more strawberry blonde. we'll see how it looks when I curl it and then do my makeup. Okay, this is the final look. Do you guys like it? I'm really liking it. Now that I've like done my makeup and stuff, I feel like I'm obsessed with it. I do wish it was just a little bit more strawberry blonde. I'm happy and excited. Super thrilled how it turned out. That was how I dyed my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was a little bit unsure when I first woke up. I was like, oh, I wanted it more like strawberry blonde, but now that I like curled it and, you know, got ready, did my makeup, got dressed, and kind of lived in it for a few hours, I am like so happy with how it turned out, and I think it looks so fun, and I'm really excited to have fun pink hair for a bit. If you enjoy lifestyle, motherhood, beauty, anything like that, that is like what my channel is all about. I do motherhood videos, like home decor, beauty. I'm a licensed esthetician, so I love doing like makeup, skincare, all the above. So if you enjoy that kind of stuff, please subscribe. It helps my channel out so much, and leave a comment down below, leave a like. I love chatting with you guys. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one.